Hello everyone, welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's have some fun connecting dots to form simple shapes. You need to get markers and tape. Also get paper and make some boxes. The more boxes you make, the harder it's going to be. You can find the printable version in the description below. And when we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Get 2 markers of any color, open them, and tape them together. Make some dots by copying me so that we can connect them to make a vertical line. Let's make more dots. Make it like me. Connect the dots to make horizontal line. Take 4 markers, open them, and tape them together. Can you copy my dots? Let's connect the dots to make a plus sign. Can you copy my dots? Connect the dots to make a square. Do the same thing again. Now connect the dots by making an X. Take 3 more markers, open them, and tape them together. Can you copy my dots? What shape are we going to get if we connect them? Good job! It's a triangle. Take 5 markers and tape them together. Let's make more dots. Make it like me. What shape are we drawing? Good job! It's a pentagon. We are all done. Let's close your markers and put them away. Great job, guys! Let's see what's inside the Kinder Egg. Looks like an alien in his spaceship. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!